Use discount code JacobViral at Sky High Explicit Audio and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Does your window go up at all?
Yeah.
Oh, you broke it.
Nah, it's working.
Could you tell me real quick for video what all's in here for?
All right. It's 4 FI-BL 18s on a DC Audio 10K with a Terrance 400x4 pushing the dash. You know what I'm saying? And it do probably 154s on the meter. 154s? Okay.
Did you build this?
Me and my man built it.
Yeah, really? Okay. Awesome, man.
It's a shot in the dark. Total shot in the dark.
Yes, sir.
But it worked.
Hey, dude, I like the way you got it built, so you kind of utilize the space.
Right.
So you got as much optimized space you can. Right. Do you know the tuning?
It's supposed to be like 37, I think. Okay. Somewhere in there, I guess.
And it's a 4th order.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. This looks good. I like this.
Try something that I ain't never did before on this car.
Awesome, dude. Dude, you can really hear it too. It's different seeing something like this up here. What made you do that? That's awesome.
It was a whole lot of wasted space, man. So I said I'm gonna use it. You know what I'm saying?
That's a good idea.
Which
awesome.
I got 4 more of these. I'm gonna put it in door and 2 sets of tweeters too.
Really? Okay. So it'd be even more clean. All right.
Yeah.
Awesome, dude. You did a good job. I'm gonna go check out the back.
Right.
Nice to meet you. What was your name?
Dante.
What it?
Dante.
Okay.
Dante.
Nice to meet you, man.
All right, man.
You have a good day.
You too.
Oh, this is cool. A little seat for your electrical. I like it. Hey, it works. Good idea, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters here. If you want to become part of the channel supporter group, check out the links in the description to do that. As well as, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at cardio sites such as Sky High, Explicit, Drop in Hertz, Limitless, etc. Links in the description for that. And last but not least, I'm also on social media: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Go ahead and join and follow me at all of them, as well as thank y'all for watching again and hitting the like button like you always do for daily videos and subscribing. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget, check out these as well if you would like, and I'll see you all in the next video. Stay tuned for more.